Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Android phone hanging or lagging problem. So let's begin. So let's go into our settings here in our device. So let's go right here. So you might have a different way of going to your settings depending on your device, but what you want to do when you go into your settings is that you go here into about phone. And from here, what you want to do is tap on the MIUI version of your phone right here. For example, this one is mine right here, so I'm gonna tap on this many times until you would have a prompt right here that says you are now a developer, or you are 3 steps away from being a developer. You want to tap on this many times, and as you can see, I'm already a developer right here. So once you have done that, then what you can do is go back, and from here you want to go down until you see additional settings, and you want to go into the developer options of your phone right here. So once you go into developer options right here, we're gonna disable the animations because that is what really takes up a lot of resources from our phone. So we're gonna find the drawing tab right here. It has animations in it. So as you can see right here in the drawing, we have the animation scale right here, animation, transition, and so on. We want to disable this because this is what is keeping our phone laggy, because this takes a lot of resources. So when this is turned off, it will free up a lot of room for our phone to work into, so it would free up resources, and this is a really great way to make your load lighter when you're using your phone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.